Good morning, students. Let's start with the next industry, that is cement industry. As we know that cement is essential for construction activity such as airports, dams, bridges, building houses and factories, etc. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw material like gypsum, limestone, silica. No doubt, rail transportation is required for this, but apart from it, coal and electric power is also needed. The industry has located plants in Gujarat because Gujarat have suitable access to market in Gulf countries. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. After independence, when government has removed its control from industries, then private industrialists and businessmen invest money in the industries means decontrol of price and distribution took place and the capacity process, technology and production of these industries increased. Overall, it is only because of liberalization. This industry is doing well in the term of production as well as export. Even efforts are being made to generate adequate domestic demand and supply in order to sustain industry. Move to the next industry, automobile industry. As we know that it provide base for transport. Automobile provide vehicles for quick transport of goods, services and passengers. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheelers, etc. are manufactured in India at various centers. After liberalization, new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in market, which led to healthy growth of industry such as passenger cars, two or three wheelers. Foreign direct investment such as Audi, Suzuki had brought new technology in our country. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars, multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicles and 14 of two or three wheelers. The industry is located around Chennai, Pune, Gurgaon, Lucknow and Delhi. So it is all about automobile industries. Now, information technology and electronics industry. Electronic industry provides a wide range of products from transistor sets to television, computers and many other equipments to the telecommunication industry. Bangalore has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Other centers for electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Chennai, Lucknow, etc. The major industry concentration is at Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai and Hyderabad. This industry also helps in providing employment to people. Even 30% of the people employed in this sector are women. This industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in last 2 or 3 years because of its fast growing BPO sector, that is business processes outsourcing. The continuing growth in hardware and software is the key to success of IT industry in India.